This is not financial advice, not legal advice for entertainment and educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, everyone knows by now that Archegos big dog, Mr. Hwang, Bill Hwang, was convicted of market manipulation fraud. Everyone knows that what he did at Archegos brought down Credit Suisse and cost a lot of big institutions billions of dollars. Yet somehow, everybody on Wall Street is screaming at the courts to please give him leniency. Why would they be asking for leniency from a guy whose illegal actions cost them billions and trillions of dollars? You know why? Because they empathize with him. They see themselves in him. They know that sooner or later they might end up on the wrong end of the prosecution, and they want to set the tone for a less time when you get caught engaging in securities fraud. The bottom line is this. There should be absolutely no leniency for Hwang whatsoever. He should be given the max amount of time because these 1%ers do whatever they want in the stock market, and really, and I mean really, are they ever held accountable? And the way you deter future bad actors is by being very, very harsh in the punishment on the actors that you get the guilty convictions on. And here's the thing. A lot of these people crying for leniency are people who probably were in bed with Mr. Hwang. These are people who are right now as we speak engaging in naked short selling, engaging in market manipulation, engaging in monopoly violations, and they know that any day they might be indicted and be standing in front of a judge and a jury fighting for their freedom. The only way that the courts are gonna hold the bad actors accountable, the only way that the courts is gonna deter bad behavior in the future from these bad actors is to give them the harshest penalty possible. And I tell you what, based on everything I'm seeing, if Donald Trump appoints somebody who's pro-enforcement of the rules and regulations of the market, a lot of these guys claiming for leniency for Mr. Hwang are probably going to be indicted and standing before the courts explaining their actions over the last 4 years, especially when it comes to AMC, GME, MULN, NEO, and of course, MMTLP. I personally am sick and tired of these bad actors doing what they want, whenever they want, with no consequences whatsoever. There should be no leniency for Mr. Hwang. He should be given the harshest punishment under the law. And that would send a message to all the bad actors on Wall Street that you won't just lose money. You will lose your freedom for a long period of time if you continue the fraud, the manipulation, and the naked shorting. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that Bill Hwang should be granted leniency by the courts? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.